Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful toffee bouquet at home. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need an assortment of your favorite candies and chocolates, perhaps 20 to 30 individual pieces. Also, grab some sturdy wooden skewers, about 10 to 12 inches long, and a block of floral foam. Don't forget a decorative vase, some cellophane, and a hot glue gun for secure attachments. These items form the foundation of your sweet creation. Now, let's prepare our sweet components. Carefully apply a small dab of hot glue to the back of each candy or chocolate and firmly press a skewer onto it. Hold it for a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. For a more professional appearance, you might wrap some individual candies in clear cellophane before attaching them. Varying the skewer lengths, perhaps from 6 to 10 inches, will add wonderful depth and dimension to your finished bouquet. With your candies prepared, it's time to assemble your beautiful bouquet. First, firmly press the floral foam into your chosen vase, ensuring it's stable. Begin by inserting your longest skewers, perhaps 5 or 6 of them, into the center of the foam, creating a focal point. Then, gradually add the shorter skewers around them, filling out the shape. Remember to distribute the colors and shapes evenly to create a visually appealing and balanced arrangement from all angles. To complete your stunning toffee bouquet, add some final flourishes. Fill any small gaps between the candies with colorful tissue paper, shredded cellophane, or even a few extra small, unwrapped candies for a fuller look. Tie a beautiful, wide ribbon, perhaps 2 inches wide, around the neck of the vase to add an elegant touch. You could also attach a personalized gift tag. Your homemade, edible masterpiece is now ready to be presented and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.